Hello students, how are you? Hope you are good and safe. Class prep, subject numbers, and the topic is taller and shorter. Today we are going to learn about the compression between taller and shorter. Now we compare two objects on the basis of their heights. As you can see in this picture, the first candle is a taller candle and the second one is the shortest. When we have two objects of unequal heights, these are the pictures of unequal heights objects. One object is taller and the other one is shorter. One object is taller and the other one is shorter. As you can see, which picture is this? These are the trees. The first tree is shorter and the second tree is taller. The first tree is shorter and the second tree is taller. Look at the other picture. The first candle is taller and the second candle is shorter. Look at the other one. This flag is taller and this flag is shorter. Which picture is this? A buildings. This building is taller and this building is shorter. This is your first activity. Fill in the blanks. You have to fill in the blanks. The first one is the right flag is dash, then the left one. The right flag is dash, then the left one is taller than the left one. Second one is the left tree is dash, then the right one. The left tree is taller than the right one. The third one is the right candle is dash, then the left one. The right candle is taller than the left one. This is your second activity. Do home activity in your copies and as well as in your books, which is on page number 11. Thank you. God bless you. Stay home. Stay blessed.